Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Oluwakemi. If you are here for the first time, you're welcome. Like, comment and subscribe. We'll be having a full glam tutorial for your next Owambe. So let's go guys, let's transform. On an already prepped face, prime the brow with face powder. This is to ensure the face stays matte all day long. Brush eyebrow upward and outline the brow with dark eyeliner in shade 01. Ensure to follow the shape of the natural groomed brow, as this makes the brow look more natural and seamless. Fill in the brow with brown eyeliner in shade 18. This reduces the darkness of the brow. Brush eyebrow upward properly, ensuring there are no harsh lines. Define the eyebrow with concealer a shade lighter than our skin tone. This makes the brow pop and bring beautiful shape to the face. Clean the upper part of the eyebrow with foundation that is exactly the shade of our skin tone. This makes the brow look more natural. Brush the brow upward once again. For the eyeshadow, we'll be going in with the first transition color just below the brow with a fluffy brush. Ensure they are well blended and there are no harsh lines. At the midsection of the eye, go in with the second transition color, which is a pink matte eyeshadow. Blend and blend until there are no harsh lines. For the outer corner and the inner corner of the eye, go in with a dark purple eyeshadow. Exclude the center part of the eye. This creates a bold base for that Owambe look we all love. Blend, blend and blend once again until there are no harsh lines. At the center of the eye, in between the matte purple eyeshadow, go in with a dark purple shimmer eyeshadow. This makes the eye glitter. The face is already popping and we are getting close to our Owambe look. At the teardrop area, using our tiny angle flat brush, go in with a golden shimmer eyeshadow to make the eyes pop the more. Keep going in with the eyeshadows until you are satisfied with how bright it looks. Go in with all colors we've used earlier and blend and blend and blend until there are no harsh lines. Clean all eyeshadow stains with our face wipes. For our waterline, we're going with a dark pencil in shade 01. While we'll be using our liquid liner for wing lining. Ensure the liquid liner is placed first at the center, then drag to the outer corner of the eye before going to the inner corner of the eye. Properly fix our full bold lashes with any glue of our choice, with no lash entering the eye. With our damp beauty sponge, we'll be going in with 2 shades of foundation in shade 04 and 370. Ensure a part of the face is well blended before moving to the other section of the face to achieve that seamless and beautiful look. Bring life to the eyes by using highlighter 2 shades lighter than our skin tone. Properly highlight underneath the eye in our T-zone, which is the nose, the forehead and the chin. Go in with our dry contour 2 shades darker than our skin tone. Contour the cheek starting from the center of your earlobe, move to the forehead and lastly contour the nose. This brings beautiful structure to the face. Go in with 2 shades of bronzer and highlight the upper part of the cheek starting from the outer eye area. Move in C shape to the tail of the brow and highlight the T-zone and lips. For our blush, we'll be using an orange and pink shade. Apply blush to the cheek, forehead and bridge of the nose. This brings that colorful Owambe and party ready look we all love. Pinch the nose to give an illusional pointed nose. With powder exactly the skin shade, powder all over the face to achieve that smooth, seamless, no harsh line and cheeky look. Brush the brow upward again and go in with a liner in shade 18 to correct all errors made while powdering the face. Outline the lips with 2 shades of eyeliner 08 and 12. Outline the lower eyelid with the pink matte eyeshadow we used at the midsection of the eye. This brightens the face and makes the eye pop the more. Use eyeliner in shade 01 for our waterline. Carefully apply mascara to both the upper and lower lash. By using 3 shades of lipstick, apply the first shade, which is a dark purple lip gloss. Properly blend, then at the center of the lips, apply the second shade, which is a white matte lipstick. Blend and apply the third shade, which is a nude lip gloss. This gives us a bold Owambe lip. Define the lips with concealer a shade lighter than our skin tone. Can we see the face looking lush and poppy? We are party ready. It's time for our accessories. Earrings, check. Necklace, check. What do you say about the accessories? Is it a yes or a yes?
My necklace is from Temu, guys.
There is no Owambe without gele. Using a 3-layer ashoke gele, divide the gele into 2 equal half, 50-50. Take from back to the front and knot twice at the front. Adjust the knot and take the lower tip to tie at the back. Ensure it is tightly tied to avoid it moving while you are making your pleats. Next is to make rough pleats on both sides of the gele. Make sure one side is well pleated before you move to the other side. This style of gele doesn't need a well-defined pleat because it's a conventional gele. Keep adjusting the gele until you are satisfied with how rough the pleat looks. Then pin the excess tip at the back using our office pin. Please don't be stingy with the pins. Use as many as possible to secure the gele. Avoid the gele falling off while dancing at the Owambe party. After securing the gele, keep adjusting the pleats until you are satisfied with how smooth it looks. Then carefully shift gele backward to reveal your edges. Here is our final look, guys. What's your take on this look? Is it a yes or a yes? Will you be trying it for your next Owambe? Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want more tutorials on how to tie gele and makeup to slay for your next occasion, let me know in the comment section. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share if you've not done that already. See you in my next one, guys. I love you.
Make sure well. Bye.